Start the class, please. Now look here. So when we will be discussing about ready for the class, please. Now look here. So first we are starting the circle chapter. In circle chapter, what we have to study is, in circle chapter, the most important thing is कि first about introduction of circle chapter. In introduction of circle chapter, what we have studied that circle is having a center and it is equidistant from all the sides. Then it is called as what beta? Circumference. After that, what we studied, like if two circumference point is touched by a circle, it is called as chord. Very good. Understood? So this is one chord. This is also one chord, and chord will always be as A, B or C and D. You can draw like this also, and what you are going to call it as chord. Got it? So these are considered as what beta? Chords. So this is center of the circle, this is circumference, and this part will be considered as chords. Got it? So now next part. So when you are drawing a circle, after drawing the circle, one point you will be taking, and from that point, whenever you will be drawing this section, this will become the tangent. This is considered as what? Tangent. So tangent is that point from which it is exactly touching the circle. So tangent is the point which touches the circle at one point. This is again called as tangent. This is called as tangent. So tangent touches the circle at only one point. So what is the concept? Tangent touches the circle at one point. So the tangent is touching the circle at how many points? 1 point. So at 1 point only tangents are touching the circle. So this is exactly the second important point about circle. Now next point is, if somebody will be talking about this, this is what? This is called as a secant. What it is called as? Secant. This is exactly considered as secant. The secant cuts the circle like this. So these are all considered as what? Secant. Understood? So secant touches the circle at two different points. Cutting is there. This is considered as what beta? Secant. This is called as tangent. And we have already understood what is circumference. Okay. Now minor arc and major arc. So basics, minor arc. So two different type of arcs are there. Minor arc and major arc. So two different arcs are there. One is considered as minor arc, another one will be considered as major arc. So when you are drawing a circle and you have taken this point as A, another point as B, this, if it is crossing, this is P. So when you are taking as A, P, B, it is considered as what? Come on, say. Sam, what it is considered as? Major arc or minor arc? Major arc, because it is going through this. So this is considered as what? Major arc. Through P it is crossing, so it is considered as major arc. This will be considered as what? Major arc. So when you will be drawing through this region and you are writing here Q, then it will be considered as AQB. So this part will be AQB. So AQB, when you will be taking, it will be considered as minor arc. So did you understood the difference between major arc and minor arc? Major arc and minor arc. So which one is the major arc? This one is the major arc. Which one is the minor arc? This one will become the minor arc. So I hope you have understood the difference between major arc and minor arc. So now we will go for the next one. Major arc and minor arc understood now? Now we are going to go for the theorem. So first theorem today I am going to teach for circle chapter. Write down the first theorem. Theorem is equal chords of a circle equal chords of a circle equal chords of a circle subtends equal angle at the center. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. Equal chords of a circle subtend what? Equal angle at the center. This is exactly the theorem. So this you need to remember. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. So now let's see. Understood, beta? Hi, Golu. So here, this is exactly equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. So how we are going to do this? Let's check this one out. So we are going to draw this part, 2D figure, we are going to take a circle. So now we are going to draw one circle. What color is needed here? So this is a circle. Now in this circle, we will draw two chords. One chord is this one, AB. Another chord is this one, C and D. Now we will take the center here and then we will join it. Understood? So here, this we have taken. Now we are going to draw this and we will write it as O. Done? Now given. What is given? You have got a circle only. Now how you are going to solve? In the given section, right? A circle C with center O and radius R is given. Okay. A circle C with center O and radius R is given. It is given to you. Got it? Now center is given and AB and CD are chords. Also, AB is equal to CD. 100% now. AB is equal to CD. AB and CD are what? Chords. So AB is equal to CD. If AB and CD are chords, then AB is equal to CD is given. Now what we need to prove? To prove that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. That is what? Equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Equal chords subtend what? Equal angle at the center. So we need not to prove, we not to do anything, we will just join it. Okay. So in construction part, if you are writing means you need to write in construction section what you are going to write. In construction, what you are going to write? Joining OA, OB, OC and OD. So just write joining OA, OB, OC, OD. Now, in proof section, what you are going to write? Start with the proof section, beta. In the proof section, you need to write. Yes, everyday class is there, beta. Today I started late because of power cut. So only students are not knowing that started class. So now look here, beta. In circle, so we are going to start here with in circle C with center O and radius R. Now here OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. What they are, beta? They are radii. What they are? They are radii of the circle. So we will write it here as radii. So our half work is over because we have written given section. In given section, what we have written? This is a circle. And after that, what we have written? Now this is exactly written as center O and this is exactly considered as all the radius and AB and CD are what? Chords. So now we are going to write in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. So we have taken triangle AOB and triangle COD. In this section, when you have taken first work, what you are going to do? You will say that OA is equal to OB. See, can we take this side is equal to this side? Yes, we can take it. Why? We can take it because all are radii. So 100% OA will be equal to OB will be equal to OC is equal to OD. So 100% all part will be exactly coming as equal. So we can say right here OA is equal to OC. We can make OA is equal to OC. And also we can say OB is equal to OD. So these two sides are exactly coming equal. This is what we know. Understood? So now when sides are exactly there, When sides are exactly there, so all the sides are coming equal. Now next part, if two sides are equal, then here corresponding angles will also be equal. Is it true or not? Tell me. So if two sides will be equal, the corresponding sides will also be equal. But here we will be taking only all the three sides. Already what is given there? It is given that chords are equal. So this is exactly radii. This is what? Radii. And here AB is equal to CD. Chords are equal. It is chords are equal. We'll write chords are equal. Chords are equal. So when chords are equal means all the three sides are equal. So 100% this, all the three sides are exactly coming as equal. So we will say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by side, side and side. Then by CPCT what we are going to say? Then by CPCT what we are going to say? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD by CPCT. Understood? Note down please. Note down this one. This is by CPCT. This will become equal. So this is equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. This is what is exactly going to be done. Note down beta. Note down this one. Equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. No, watch nothing. I did not prepare. I just came as. AB is equal to CD are chords. Simple na beta. In the theorem itself, they said equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Means in the statement itself, they told Golu, that equal chords are there. So equal chords means this chord is equal to this chord. So chords are equal. These are chords. They are chords. So chords are equal. So since the chords are equal, they are subtending equal angle at the center. Since the chords are equal, they are subtending equal angle at the center. Understood? Chords are equal, so they are subtending equal angle at the center. This is what is exactly given. This is one theorem. This is one theorem which is very, very important. AB is equal to CD. So this is one theorem which we must do. Okay. Now next part what we are going to do is, the next theorem is given to you. The next theorem part is, when they will be asking you, did this one beta? Note down. Everything note down. Nicely note down. Understood? Any doubt is there or clear? Because we just used radius and we used chords, and that's we have proved it. Now we'll go for the next one. Ready? NCRT question we are going to do. We will do converse of this theorem. What is the converse of this theorem? Hi Arunisha. But a power cut was there today, so it was very difficult to take the class. But once the power came, immediately I started the class. Bhavya is not here. Arunisha, you didn't wrote test. So question paper take and write test. Yes, question paper take and write test. Don't skip the test, beta. Just write the test. All have written, only you and Bhavya have not written. All people, they wrote the test, only you have not written. You both have not written. You both have to write the test by today. Oh, you wrote. I think Bhavya has not written test, or one or two person has not written test. I'll check because another test is on Sunday. So now look, beta, just you need to go back with that part. Now I am teaching the next part. So Bhavya, Arunisha, just go with that section, beta. Right now we are going with the previous section. I am writing the converse of this theorem. What is the converse of this theorem? One theorem we studied that if chords are equal, their center will be equal. Okay, if chords are equal, their center will be equal. Now what we are going to do is we will go converse. We will go opposite of it. Understood? And in the opposite section, what we are going to study? In the opposite section, we are going to study that if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle are equal, I am writing it, if the angle subtended by two, if the angle subtended by two chords of a circle, if the angle subtended by the chords of a circle, angle subtended by the chords of a circle, this is theorem number 2. Chords of a circle, if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle are equal, chords of a circle at the center, right? At the center are equal, then at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. You can also say that this is converse of theorem 1. You can also say that what, beta? This is converse of theorem 1. So what theorem 1 you have done, it is the converse of that theorem. Got it? So now let's start this one out. First we are going to draw. Everything will be same only. There will be no change. Okay? So now we are going to draw it. Get ready for this one, beta. So we are going to draw a circle. Ready? Now after drawing the circle, what is the next? Yes, beta, we started circle chapter because we need to have a full revision of entire syllabus now. So now circle chapter started because Heron's formula is over. Now we are in the, what you call, we are in the chapter circle. After that, we will be doing what you call surface area and volume. So one by one, we will be finishing. So surface area and volume, once we will be finishing means after that, how many chapters will be left? Circles, Heron's formula, surface area and volume. Quadrilateral only is left that side. In chair keys are there. Okay, so what we are going to do, one more theorem we are going to do here. Okay, because statistics, how many chapters? Statistics is there, and surface area and volume and quadrilateral. 3 chapters means entire syllabus is going to be over, but we are going to start from beginning all everything. Yes, so that's what, beta. One more time means we will be finishing means work will be over. Okay, so now look here. What we are going to do, this is the center O, and this is taken as AB, and this part is taken as CD. Okay, now this is exactly coming as 2 chords. Now this time what they have given that their centers are equal. These values are equal. This is what they have given. So first we are going to write the given section. Are you all ready for writing the given section, beta? So in the given section, what it is exactly there is, write that given section part. In given section, you write the given section part. A circle C with center O and radius R is there. Okay, a circle C with center O and radius R is there. After that, what we are going to proceed and how we are going to proceed. What is given? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is given. Okay. Now, next part, what can be given is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. What they are radii of circle, and 100% it is not to be proved. The radii of a circle are always equal. So since radii of a circle are always equal, we can write this. Now to prove that AB is equal to CD. Okay. Now we will start proof. In the proof section, what we will do? In the proof section, we will write in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, OA is equal to OC. We can take OA is equal to OC, radii. Also second part we can take OB is equal to OD. They are also radii beta. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Done. And now already given that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. It is given. Now beta by side, angle, side. Side angle, side and side angle, side. So we will write. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by side, angle, side. By side angle and side. So triangle AOB is equal to angle COD by side angle, side. So that means both triangles are coming as congruent. So if the triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides and angles will be equal. So AB is equal to CD by CPCT. No big hangama. Simple thing, simple technique we have taken and we have solved this one. Understood? So simple technique we took and simple part we have solved. So this is exactly the work we have done. I hope you might have understood this one, beta. Was it a very tough work? So two theorems we have finished today. So what are the two theorems we have finished today? First theorem we have finished is equal chord subtend equal angle at the center. Second one is equal angle at the center subtend equal chords. Understood? So these are the two theorems. Tomorrow, beta, I'm going to teach gravitation. In gravitation second section we will be doing numericals, and then day after tomorrow we are going to start exercise 9.1. Okay, due to power cut only little bit short classes I have taken. Bye everyone.